on the Rachel sing yet.
Do you want to do I Like the Sound?
Okay.
We're going to do some Rascal Flatts for you guys. The song's been getting a lot of radio play, and so we thought we'd keep that going. Because people tend to like the sound of this song. But actually I gotta switch to acoustic guitar.
So when we impromptu started jamming this today, you already know the whole thing.
Oh, I know this
I love this. This is one of my favorite songs.
It's so good, right? You'll get to hear You hear that?
No. But let's check our signal, make sure you're okay. I want to hear what's going up on the stage.
Guitar turned off? No.
You got your tuner off, everything's all good to go? Well, those that are out there not being able to watch the great show because it's a radio program, oh, there we go. We got her live. Got it. All right. Miss Rachel and Buzzy.
I love the sound of the shower turned on, but there's nothing but a towel on you. You sing along with some Timberlake bumping, but he ain't got nothing on you. I don't want to hear the coffee pouring, a goodbye kiss, then locking the door. Yeah, it sounds like leaving you on. It's a little too loud on the highway. I wanna pull back in your driveway. It's way too quiet at my place. Wanna come on over, come on over. I just wanna hear that ringtone, like it turned up when you're blowing out my phone. Wanna hear you say, come on over, 'cause when you tell me to come on over, I like the sound of that. Love the sound of the thunder rumbling, makes you move a little closer to me. Oh, I bet that your neighbors hate us, 'cause we can laugh all night and never sleep. I don't want to hear the coffee pouring, a goodbye kiss, then locking the door. Yeah, it sounds like leaving you. Oh, it's a little too loud on the highway. I wanna pull back in your driveway. It's way too quiet at my place. Wanna come on over, come on over. I just wanna hear that ringtone, like it turned up when you're blowing out my phone. Wanna hear you say, come on over, 'cause when you tell me to come on over, I like the sound of that. Ooh. Turn down the lights, I ain't going nowhere, I'm all yours tonight. It's a little too loud on the highway, I wanna pull back in your driveway. It's way too quiet at my place, I wanna come on over. I just wanna hear that ringtone, I like it turned up when you're blowing up my phone. Wanna hear you say, come on over, 'cause when you tell me to come on over, I like the sound of that. Ooh, I like the sound, I like the sound of that. Ooh, I like the sound, I like the sound of that. Ooh, I like the sound, and I like the sound of that. Okay, we're gonna let you guys try it really fast. So if you're in your car jamming